Hello and welcome to my channel, The Flamenco Coach. I'm Belinda Ratmal, your flamenco coach. My mission here is to help flamenco dancers like myself learn more about improvising for Bulerías Por Fiesta, so you don't have to feel scared when it's your turn to go out and improvise. In my previous video, I taught a short, simple 6-count remate that can be used as your salida. It can actually be used wherever you want to sprinkle it in throughout the patada, but it was a good one to use for the salida. And that one came from a cute little pataíta that María Moreno taught in one of her little classes. And she taught a second 6-count remate straight after that one. I'm going to teach you that short second remate now in this video, because that's another good one that you can use within your patada. This one is also simple, but it makes use of the triplets counts, so there's a little bit more happening, which can get tricky because of the fact that Bulerías is a fast tempo. But we will start slowly, and this is how you get better, is by practicing. That's what we're here for, is to improve. I'll first of all show you the step, teach it to you, we'll practice it to some slow solo compás, then work our way up with the solo compás tempo, and lastly we'll put the step to a letra. Before I show you the step, let's have a look at Maria using the step in her class. So similar to the first 6-count remate, this one comes in at the end of the sung line. So whether that's a 12-count sung line or the singer goes for 3 lots of 6 counts, it doesn't matter, just where the sung line happens to finish. And that's where we put the little remate to finish along with the singer. So let's take a look at the step that Maria has used. So as I said, it's triplets, and we start on the left foot with a toe, heel, and a heel on the right foot. So 1 and down. So that is the step, and then we repeat it on the right foot. 2 and down. So we're just doing triplets. We start on the left foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down. So that's where we just go up to with those triplets. We do that 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we do another heel on the right on count 5. 5. And then we, at the same time as we're doing the heel on the right for 5, we're going to bring our left foot up so we can step over on the 6. And come down with a little stamp if we like. So let's try that all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. 1. Back into marking or whatever step you want to go on with next. One more time. Starting on the left foot with a toe, heel, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. 1. Next compás. Okay, let's practice the step facing the side. Starting on the left with a toe, heel, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. 1. Let's now practice to some solo compás, starting at a slow tempo. This solo compás, 150 beats per minute. So let's just practice the step through. Starting on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's practice to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit faster, 170 beats per minute. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're getting closer to the real speed of Bulerías, 190 beats per minute. Let's practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's now put that step with a letra. I'm going to put the remate with the end of the sung line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's practice again. I'll face the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you enjoyed this video training of a 6 count remate and that you can use it in your next Bulerías Patada. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on improvising for Bulerías Por Fiesta. And if you want to know some more of my insider secrets on improvising for Bulerías Por Fiesta, I have a free masterclass. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to go check out my masterclass. I share with you my step-by-step framework on how to pull off the perfect pataíta every time without feeling scared, not hearing the cues in the music, or not knowing the parts of the dance. Thanks for watching and happy practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I think I'll start that again. 6 count, I don't need to say I'm going to teach you this second. Bulerías is a fast-paced dance, and you want to make sure, I don't know what you want to make sure. None of that, delete. Just talking to a friend. I don't like how that sounded. And now we're I'll just go again.